Inspired by Cliff Harvey. And my bit of blue tack's just giving way. We're going into a dive. Never mind, we can see the general effect before it falls off. That'll do. A little bit stringy. That's going to be down to the little bit of filament I used. But the idea is that we can put that one up against the light or in the window to catch the sunlight. Yeah. Well, it's worked. I say, a bit stringy. That filament is rather old. I suppose you should always put it that way round. It doesn't look quite so stringy. And you could colour it in if you wanted it to be different colours. Yeah. Well, that was quite a simple little job. Just a thought, I could probably have doubled it in size and it wouldn't have been quite so thin. Yeah, I might try that, we should be able to squeeze a double sized one on the bed there, or if not quite double size, nearly double size. Inspired by Cliff Harvey. And my bit of blue tack's just giving way. We're going into a dive. Never mind, we can see the general effect before it falls off. That'll do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.